Hello, my friend, and welcome back to my simple home. I am so excited for today's clean and undecorate with me. There will also be like a minimalist fall decor haul a little bit later, so stay tuned for that. And yes, I know I am way behind for fall, and lots of influencers will now start posting Christmas content because we're, officially in October. But here on this channel, we are different. We take our time, we slow down, and we enjoy the process with all things homemaking, from cleaning, cooking, decorating, organizing, decluttering, literally all of the things. So if you are new around here, I hope that you stick around a while if you like lifestyle and just motivation around the home. The algorithm currently hates me with the launch of the podcast. She's a little confused, but I don't care. I have a lot of fun and exciting content coming up. So again, make sure you are subscribed. Now, before we get into the video, I wanted to give you all an update on the podcast I just launched. I got certified as a life coach, and I'm so excited to be able to offer one-to-one coaching now, as well as just practical tools over on the podcast. I have decided to botch my video podcast here on YouTube for now so that I don't continue to confuse the algorithm. So if you are wanting to listen to the podcast, there will be new episodes out every single week, and you can listen over on Spotify or Apple, and I will leave the link down below in the description. Thank you to those of you who have already listened, shared, written your messages to me, and those of you who have actually left a review as well. I just honestly, I'm so thrilled and grateful that you are all so excited and loving it this far. It's kind of like having a new baby for me, so thank you. Thank you for your constant support. Now back here to YouTube and what you can expect moving forward. I truly find so much joy in creating minimalism or simple home content, like whatever you want to call it. So we're going back to that. We're going back to our roots. You'll notice we're doing a lot of cleaning today, and even tackling some deeper cleaning tasks off of my silent to-do list, which I talk more in depth about this in episode 2 of my podcast. But there were a ton of things screaming at me that needed to get done before I could decorate for fall, as there's really nothing like starting with a fresh, clean slate. So we went ahead, we got the kitchen cleaned, and truth be told, I wish my kitchen still looked like that. It is completely torn apart, as behind the scenes, we have started phase 1 of our kitchen renovation. So next time you see her, she's gonna be looking a little bit different, completely transformed, and I'm just so excited. Anyway, the main focus today is getting our main living area tidied, cleaned, and undecorated so that we can start to get ready for fall. I would love for you to grab a coffee, grab a load of laundry, tackle the dishes, like whatever, just tackle your mess with me as you watch, or sit back and enjoy some inspiration today. We're going to be doing a deeper clean here of the entryway. While I do vacuum this space almost daily, there was a ton of sand everywhere, as we've been blessed with beautiful weather this September. And up on top here of the shelf, we keep our puppies' outdoor toys and whatnot. So when we get home from the beach, everything just kind of like gets tossed in there, but it gets so sandy. And when I went to take the basket down today, or on this morning that I was filming, to grab something from it, I literally got sand everywhere, including my eyes. So that was really fun. So I ended up taking my dusting glove and just like shoving all the dust down, right? Pushing it down onto the floor. I honestly find this to be like the easiest way to clean up high. Just like brush it off, and then we will vacuum it off the floor. You will notice those lanterns there. I had those for like over a decade, and I never once bring them out when I decorate. So about a month ago, my husband and I decided to do a major declutter of our crawl space. I did not film it. I am so sorry. It would have been so great, but we just had to get it done. And that was one of the things that we ended up donating, and the lady was picking them up on this day. So that's why they were there. Okay, I need to know, are you a Christmas or a fall girly? I am a through and through Christmas girly. It is my favorite time of the year. I love decorating for Christmas, and I'm feeling a little sad this year, as with our puppy. I have no idea how I'm going to decorate certain areas, but especially the console table here, as she just knocks everything off of it. She's broken all of my pumpkins that I had on here, and something honestly gets knocked off daily. And we all know that like lots of Christmas stuff is breakable, so I don't really know what's gonna happen, but we'll see. My husband jokes that I might not be able to decorate, and I just like give him the duster, as that is obviously not in the cards. Anyway, moving on, I really needed to dust as we've had the windows open, allowing all of that fresh air inside. So we're gonna move through this area, working top to bottom and get everything dusted. Now it is time to clear these shelves, which I get asked about all the time, and these are actually a top seller of mine. They are very hard to find, but they are currently in stock with very limited quantities, so I'll be sure to link them down below. They are a little bit of an investment, but I honestly love them and their versatility and how they completely transformed our living room for a fraction of the price. Initially, we were going to get my husband to DIY like a custom unit, but when these launched, I knew I had to get them. We've had them for going on like 9 months now, and they are holding up beautifully. Again, I love that they're both pretty and practical, and I am excited to just get to decorate these shelves for the first time for fall and Christmas. Once I get them cleared off, I always like to, again, clean and dust the area before putting down the new decor. So this is actually the first year that I get to decorate these shelves for fall, for Halloween, and also for Christmas, which I am so excited. But before I get ahead of myself, I've been shopping for months trying to find the best deals, the best products, and the best items for fall. I actually do not have a big fall or Halloween collection, and so I'm trying to slowly integrate a little bit more of that, as don't come at me, fall is just not, or Halloween, they're just not my favorite. So again, don't come at me, I'm a Christmas girly. I love that for you if you love fall. However, it's never really been my thing. My sister, on the other hand, absolutely loves fall. It's like her favorite time to decorate is for fall and Halloween. So I am so excited to finally bring in some pieces, and I'm gonna share with you a little haul. I'm gonna share with you what I got. I stopped at Target, HomeSense, Hobby Lobby. Girl, we have been all over. So let's go ahead and get into the haul. I had to grab the viral vase. I love this thing from the Hearth and Hand collection at Target. The first time I laid eyes on this thing, I knew I needed to have it. When I went in store a few months ago, they only had the extra large one, which we have a small house, and decorating for a small house when you get like, you know, vases and stuff can actually be quite tricky. And so the large one I think would be perfect for a kitchen island. If you have like a kitchen island and you want this like big statement piece, or let's say you have like a really grand entryway, it would look really good on like a table there. But for my small house, it's just not doable. And so when I went back yesterday, they had the smaller one in stock and I literally almost died. So I was so excited. I snagged this bad boy up really fast. I also got these plum leaf eucalyptus stems that are also from Hearth and Hand that I love. I wanted a more moody piece, as a lot of the florals and stems that I have are actually not moody. And so I'm slowly integrating some of the more moody pieces. I actually got 3 stems and I can't wait to style these this fall. These are not looking too hot. I had them outside to dry, but I don't know. They are looking, some of them are looking like a little flat. I wonder if I can kind of fluff them up. But I went to my mother-in-law's and chopped some of her hydrangeas, some of the maple leaves, and then these were from our front garden. But yeah, they we'll see if I can actually use these, because again, they really are not looking too hot. Last year I did dried hydrangeas and it worked beautifully. They were perfect, and then I threw them out because I got lazy and didn't want to store them, and I immediately regretted it when I wanted to bring them out this spring. So I have all of these stems to work with as well. Again, these are all real, and I was going to try and dry them. So if you have any tips for that, I can go chop some more hydrangeas and see, because obviously this isn't working this year. Moving back inside, I don't know what I was thinking. Either I wasn't, or I'm kind of a little crazy. You're gonna notice there's a lot of glass this year. And with a puppy, that may not be my best idea, but here we go. We're gonna try it anyway. I'm sorry, what? Can we talk about this for a minute? Oh my gosh, the frosted glass, the wooden top. Y'all, when I saw this, I just had to have it. I honestly think it is one of the most beautiful pumpkins I've ever seen in my life. Like, not even exaggerating. I am, for once in my life, excited about fall and Halloween because of these glass pumpkins that I found. So this is the first one. You can see it's bigger than my head. It's like really oversized. I don't know, I'm thinking top shelf. We'll see. We're gonna play. We're going to get excited, and this is it. This is it. This is where all of my excitement comes from, is this pumpkin right here. Okay. Another pumpkin I found, that was from HomeSense, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. This is from HomeSense as well. This is the smaller size. I saw 2 sizes. There was a small one and a large one. Again, I always go with the smaller size. When I'm decorating a smaller house in a smaller space, I definitely lean more towards these smaller sizes. Now, I love wicker as well. I wanted to bring in some more warmth. I know wicker, to me, kind of screams like, I don't know, spring and summer, but I wanted to again see if I could integrate a little bit more warmth into the fall and Halloween decor this year, and I just love it. I love that there's a lid, and so like functionality here. You know me, if you're new around here, I'm all about making things both pretty and practical, and I thought I could store remotes in here and just things that I don't really want to be seen. You guys, how stinking cute are these ghosts? I can't even. I am so excited. Look at them. Just look at them. The wooden, the black, it all has me screaming. I'm excited. I don't know what what else there is to say. I love these. They were actually 10 bucks each, $9.99 each for both the large and the small. And I just think that they are so cute. They're gonna be super, super great. I love that you can use these. I feel like you can use these, maybe I'm a little bit too early for Halloween, but these don't scream Halloween to me. Like, maybe they do to you. I guess they don't, because they're not orange. To me, I think Halloween and I think orange and black. So I'm loving, and you'll notice this, like the wooden, warm textures with the pop of like moodiness. I don't know, it might not work. I am not a professional, but I just buy what I like and I'm gonna try and throw it together. So you wait and see. Oh! Hey guys, I should have prefaced this. I bought these pumpkins like a solid month ago. Maybe longer, like way back in July. So I kind of forgot which ones I bought. Can we even deal? Okay, this one lights up. So I am really excited. I gotta put some batteries in it. But $29.99, this is Canadian pricing because I am in Canada, but it has kind of like, again, that warmy, kind of taupey. I love it with the glass top. My family's home in a amount of time. I got one more.
What?
Is Marlo coming?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She's not here.
Chaos is going to come. Is he gonna be a while?
I don't know.
Like, are they coming? Quick, they're coming?
No, we can't see them.
But you guys came home before?
Yes.
Okay, I might have another minute.
But he's not at the beach.
Where is he?
He's walking.
Around the block?
Yes.
Okay, good, perfect. Okay.
Walking.
I have another minute.
I saw Dad showed us the ring, and I saw the girl come pick up lanterns.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Dad showed you the ring? Is that what you said?
Yeah, like the brand of the, you know.
Oh, the camera.
Yeah.
You were watching? Okay.
We saw you come out the door and give the girl the lanterns.
You watching me? Go put it in the bathroom, please, in the tub. Or not in the tub, sorry, hanging on the thing.
Hang it on the tub. Mom, can we go back to doing what we were doing?
Sure, babe.
No.
Okay, anyway, back to this mom life. So this one I thought I would try and bring in. It's not quite orange, it's more amber. And I thought having it similar to the other like kind of taupey color brings out more of a brown amber. Again, lots of warmth. To me, this is really bold. So again, we're gonna see if they work together. If not, I don't know what we're gonna do. This one also lights up. And it's $29.99. Like y'all, they are huge. Like it's like I have big hands and like, look at this. I wanna like it's like a size that's almost like half my body. Can we even? This is oversized for me, but anyway. So now let's go ahead and get to the fun part, decorating. I hope this video gives you some fall inspiration and decorating ideas, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. So that is my very small haul. I am, again, still leaning towards more of a simple minimalist vibe for fall and Halloween this year. I want my home to be like cozy and inviting and warming and that sort of thing without being super visually stimulating. So stay tuned and we are going to start decorating in the next video. So bye for now.